18.25-inch full length, 24.5 ounces, lightweight foldable outdoor, hunting, military shovel is versatile to get the job done. E-tool features a wood saw edge to cut or chop small branches and trees for kindling or fire building. Compact and portable. The multi-use shovel folds down to be barely bigger than your hand. 10 inches in length when folded, it takes up about the same space as a stack of paper plates. A kneaded tool that is easy to pack and takes up no space in your backpack or camp kit. High carbon steel construction. Super durable to handle the long list of jobs the shovel was designed to handle in extreme conditions. Dig through dirt, sand, gravel, mud, and snow with a tempered steel blade. The triangular handle is strong and fits the hand well for optimal use when digging, trenching, cutting, or slashing. 3WAY folding design. Hand shovel collapses into a portable outdoor shovel, emergency shovel, and hiking shovel. The rotating spade blade can be adjusted to act as a pick or hoe. Ultimate camp tool to dig fire pits, bury waste, or trench drainage lines. SOG tactical shovel for life. Take care of your folding shovel and we'll take care of you. SOG shovels for digging are built to last, and we consider all repair and replacement requests. Top reviews from the United States. It's SOG. You can't go wrong. I bought this for an upcoming backpacking trip. I own a lot of SOG products, so I knew I couldn't go wrong here. It's extremely lightweight, folds up small, and the pouch it folds into is perfect. It's strong and durable, stays tight when locked open. It's not made for heavy-duty tasks, but it can definitely do the job for digging the me-time hole, or carving a trench around your tent to divert rainwater in inclement weather. I don't foresee having to buy another one, but if I do, I would buy this again.